Hey guys, welcome back to Patrol 10. If you have read the title already, then you know that we're going to be cleaning my bomb on wheels. As you can see now, the bike is very dirty, lots of mud. Thought I'd make a video on cleaning it, making it look all pretty again. Hope you enjoy. First thing I'm going to do is rinse the whole bike down so I can start washing it with some soap. I've only just realised how dirty this bike really is. Decided that since there's so much mud, I'm going to take off all the body panels and stuff so I can clean it all thoroughly. Alright, so the body panels for the fuel tank are ready to come off. Just gonna take the cap off the fuel tank, it should be good. Just got myself a 10mm socket so I can take the state off. Better not lose it. Alright, seat is finally out. Only took me 10 minutes to figure out that there's another bolt. Now I can take the front panel off. Now that we've taken all the panels off, I can now get to cleaning the bike. Alright, now we gotta start cleaning the Powersaki. Alright, time to put the panels back on. Alright, so I put the front fuel tank panel on it. Now I just gotta do up the bolts. Time for the seat. Oh my god. Time for the white panels. Now for the final panel. All done. Alright, time to give her a start. Epic. Thank you so much for watching guys, hope you enjoyed and I'll see you in the next video.